Are you over 50 and noticing weaker hips, legs, or trouble walking? Don't worry. Your glutes, the hidden powerhouse of your lower body, can be rebuilt with simple, gentle exercises. Today, we will go through 5 easy movements, starting with exercise number 5 and moving backwards to exercise number 1. Each movement is designed to safely strengthen your glutes, improve balance, and give you confidence in your daily movements. Move slowly, focus on control, and breathe steadily. Remember, this is your time. Honor your body. Stop if anything feels uncomfortable, and let's rebuild your strength together. Exercise number 5, glute bridges. Lie on your back on a soft surface or mat. Bend your knees. Keep your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms gently at your sides. Slowly lift your hips toward the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower gently. Feel your glutes waking up with every lift. Breathe in as you prepare. Exhale as you lift. Imagine your hips becoming stronger and you're walking easier. Each bridge strengthens the back, legs, and glutes, creating stability and power. Repeat slowly, feeling every muscle activate. This is the foundation, a gentle yet powerful movement. Exercise number 4. Side leg lifts. Stand next to a chair or wall for support. Shift your weight to one leg and slowly lift the other leg out to the side. Keep your body upright and toes pointing forward. Lower it slowly, then switch legs. Feel the outer glutes engage and your balance improve. Move gracefully, with control and focus. Breathe calmly as you lift, imagining each side of your hip strengthening and becoming more stable. This simple movement helps prevent falls and improve side-to-side mobility. Exercise number 3. Marching in place. Stand behind a sturdy chair, holding the back lightly for balance. Begin lifting your knees one at a time, as if marching in slow motion. Keep your back tall and movement smooth. With every step, feel your glutes, hips, and core working together. Breathe in as you lift, exhale as you lower. Imagine building a strong foundation in your legs and hips. This gentle marching improves circulation, balance, and walking strength. Keep your pace steady, moving in rhythm with your breath, and let the muscles wake up naturally. Exercise number 2. Seated leg lifts. Sit on a chair with your back straight and feet flat. Hands lightly hold the sides for support. Lift one leg slowly. Hold for a moment, then lower. Switch legs. Feel your thigh and glute muscles gently activating without straining your knees or back. Move deliberately, breathe with each lift, and picture your hips waking up to support your body. This seated exercise is perfect for those who need extra stability while still strengthening the glutes. Repeat slowly, imagining each lift adding energy and strength to your legs. Exercise number 1. Glute squeezes. Finally, stand tall or remain seated, feet flat on the floor. Gently squeeze your glutes as if holding a coin. Hold for 2 seconds, then relax. Repeat with slow, controlled movements. Feel the connection from your hips down to your legs. Breathe in as you squeeze, exhale as you release. This simple exercise is powerful. It engages the muscles that often go unnoticed, but support your entire lower body. Visualize your hips, glutes, and legs waking up, getting stronger, and ready to help you move confidently every day. Take a moment now to notice your body. Your hips, glutes, and legs are more awake, more stable, and ready for movement. Doing these 5 gentle exercises every day can make a huge difference in balance, walking, and overall confidence. You are rebuilding strength, one glute at a time. Remember to subscribe to Senior Glutes for more safe, effective, and gentle workouts designed for adults over 50. Keep practicing, move with intention, and celebrate the power in your body.